In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a chart of accounts in Xero. Whether you're setting up a new business or updating existing financial records, importing a chart of accounts can streamline the process and save you a lot of time. So, let's get started. First up, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. Consider this your home base, giving you easy access to navigate various parts of the software. It's your command center, if you will, allowing you full control over your accounting preferences. From here, you're going to want to direct your attention to the Accounting tab located at the top of the page. It's a small but vital area that holds the keys to your financial data. By clicking on this, you'll reveal a drop-down menu where you'll see the Chart of Accounts option. Go ahead and select that. Now, if you're unfamiliar, the Chart of Accounts is essentially a comprehensive list of every account in your general ledger. Each entry within this list provides essential information about the various financial transactions happening within your business. It's always a good idea at this point to quickly review your existing accounts. Xero offers a helpful feature here. You can delete any unnecessary or outdated accounts before bringing in new ones. This is particularly beneficial in maintaining an organized and up-to-date record. However, if your accounts are already in good shape, feel free to proceed directly to the import process. To begin the import, you'll want to click on the Import button. This action will open up an intuitive interface where you can select the file containing your chart of accounts. Remember, the file needs to be in the appropriate format, usually a CSV, to meet Xero's data import standards. If your file meets these criteria, let's keep moving forward. Next, click on the Browse button. This will allow you to locate and select your desired file directly from your computer. Once your file is set, Xero will display a preview of the data you're about to import. Take a moment here to carefully ensure everything appears as it should. This moment is critical. It's your chance to double-check that all necessary information is correctly formatted and fully ready for import. When you're satisfied with the preview, simply click the Import button at the bottom of the page. Xero, at this point, will handle the processing of your file and update your chart of accounts as you've planned. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating the success of the import, or if there's anything that needs your attention. And just like that, you've successfully imported your chart of accounts into Xero, all set to meet your business's needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more Xero tips and tutorials. Have a great day.